Alright, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Amazon Fire 7. So let's get right into it. Alright, first up, the tablet does comparatively feel lighter than the previous Amazon Fire 7 models, but still it's pretty heavy. So let's keep that aside for a second and let's take a quick look at the accessories that come in the box. First up, USB-D type cable, so that's basic, and that's the tag cable. Okay, the 5-watt adapter. Now it does look better than the Samsung or Huawei 5-watt adapters, and it has a nice feel to it, so that's great. And there are some leaflets in there. Okay, that's some personalized content and some features like Amazon Alexa. And the other leaflet, yes, that's right, that is the quick start guide, so nothing else in there. Now let's take a look at the tablet itself. So okay, right here you can see one of the main downsides of this tablet, which is the lock screen ads. Now believe it or not, to switch this off you have to make a payment to Amazon. Other than that, the tab does feel good and great for something like reading an ebook or watching Netflix, so it can totally handle it. And other than that, if you don't go to do some high-end gaming, it won't get stuck. So this model actually comes with Alexa built in, and they have done quite a nice bag-like packaging, which is nice to see. So that's it, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you did enjoy the video, please like this video and do consider subscribing to Tech Gadgets for much more tech videos like this one.